Hey everyone, welcome back to the Mex Mundo kitchen. It's starting to get quite cold over here in Switzerland, and of course hot beverages are always the solution. In Mexico we have a drink called Atole, which is a very thick drink. It's warm, there's tons of different flavors, and the one I want to share with you guys today is a Maria cookie Atole, which I hope you guys enjoy. The ingredients you need to make your Maria cookie Atole are 1 package of Maria cookies, mine is 200 grams, 1 liter of milk, 1 can of evaporated milk, mine is 410 grams, half a can of condensed milk, mine the total is 397 grams, so we're only using half of that, 1 cinnamon stick, and 1 cup of water. Okay, making this Atole, this Maria cookie Atole, is super simple. Like I mentioned before, the cans sizes may vary a little bit depending on the country you live in. It doesn't matter. These are kind of like estimated quantity, so if you add a little bit more, a little bit less, it's fine. Especially with the condensed milk, I'm just gonna eyeball half a can in there. This is what's going to give the sweetness. So maybe you guys want to add less, or maybe you want to add more. Half a can is the perfect amount for me. So what we're going to do is we're going to grab our Maria cookies and we're going to break them a little bit and put them in our blender, and then we're going to process them in the blender. We want to turn them into crumbs. Once they're broken down as much possible, we're going to add our evaporated milk and half the can of the condensed milk. We continue processing until we mix it well, and then in a saucepan we're going to add our milk. I'm using lactose-free milk, but if you guys want to use whole milk or any type of milk you like, that's perfectly fine. So you add your liter of milk, your cinnamon stick, and your water. You're going to heat it up, but you don't want it to boil, so be very careful not to let it boil. You just want it hot. You have to constantly be taking care that it doesn't stick to the bottom, so give it a few stirs. Once you see it's hot, you can add the Maria cookie mixture in there, and again, you give it a mix. You're going to let it heat there for about 10 minutes or until it thickens. If you guys like a really thick atole, what you can do is in a cup, put a quarter of a cup, of very cold water, and to that water add a teaspoon of maicena or cornstarch. You dissolve it well, and you could add it into your atole. That's if you want it to be super thick. For me, it's nice like this. The cookies thicken it quite a bit, but again, it's up to you guys if you want a very thick atole or you're fine with a more watery one. So we are done making this delicious Maria cookie atole. Let me show you how thick it is. I didn't add any maicena to mine. It just thickened with the Maria cookies. So it's still quite thick, but for me, it's the perfect thickness. I don't like a super thick atole. I like it to be a bit on the thinner side. They are super easy to make. If you are not a fan of condensed milk, you can always substitute it. Instead of putting the half can of condensed milk, you can put a quarter cup of sugar just to dissolve in the milk. I love condensed milk. It's a taste I enjoy a lot, so that's why I use it, but like that, you have another option. I hope you guys prepare this recipe now with fall and winter and all these cold days which we have ahead, and I hope you subscribe to the channel. See you guys next time.